Hello friends, I am Mukesh Singh. Welcome to my video Vue Getting Started. In this video, I will introduce you to Vue. Vue is a progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. Unlike other monolithic frameworks, Vue is designed from the ground up to be incrementally adoptable. The core library is focused on the Vue layer only and is easy to pick up and integrate with other libraries or existing projects. On the other hand, Vue is also perfectly capable of powering sophisticated single-page application when used in combination with modern tooling and supported libraries. For creating our Vue project, we are going to use Vue CLI. It provides the ability to quickly scaffold a new project via Vue Create. I will use npm for installing Vue CLI. And here we add -g which says we are going to install it globally. Once Vue CLI is downloaded, we'll check whether it is installed correctly or not. We'll use Vue -- version, and it will return the version which we have installed. So for me, it is 4.4.6. Now I will create a Vue project by using Vue Create and the project name, which is book site for me, and I'll hit enter. Now I'll hit enter because I want the default settings. And now it will take some time to create our Vue project. Let me move to the project folder, and now I'll open Visual Studio Code with this project. Now I'll open terminal, and here I'm going to run this project. So npm run serve, and it will run our project. And now I'm going to update this hello world component, because just show you, I'll delete and save it. So now if you see, browser is already updated with the changes which we have made in code. Let me go and delete this hello world component, and now I'm going to add another component which I'll name it a book list, and which we'll be using for showing the list of books in our page. Let me add the template in this book list component, and here we are using the declarative binding for Vue, and we are using v-for, which is a loop which will loop through the elements. And now we are going to add the script portion for it. We'll go to app component, and there what we'll do is we'll bind this book list component so that we can display in our page. We'll update all the places where we had hello world with book list, and in import in HTML tag, and in the components in our export default section. Let me add one more component. We'll name it as book form, and book form.view, and we'll use this a book form for adding books. And now let me paste the code for this template and the script sections. And now we'll add this book form component to book list component. We'll add import for book form, and after that we are going to add a section for component. And now we are going to add this component in our HTML book. So now let's save book form, and now we can get these text boxes. We can enter a book name, author, and add book, and it's added. Thanks friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll be creating another video with a complete recipe app using Vue, and it will be having a note server.